Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox onto your computer. Just open your preferred search engine and search for Roblox, and then you're going to want to click on the first link, https://www.roblox.com. Just click on that. Once you're on the Roblox website, you're either going to want to sign in or sign up, and then once you sign in, just click any game. Click the massive green play button, and then you'll be prompted to download and install Roblox. Just click this button, select downloads and save. Then if you go to your file explorer, select downloads and double click the exe launcher, it will begin installing Roblox. And that's you basically done. Now whenever you want to play a game, you can either come to the website, or you can type in the bottom left, Roblox, and select Roblox player, and it will basically launch this launcher for you. But if you're on the website, just click the green play button, click the checkbox, and select Open Roblox Game Client, and it will launch the game for you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.